So guys, last time I made my coffee, I used 1 teaspoon, but this time I'm gonna use 2 because I wanted it to be a little bit stronger. It tastes better for sure. So yeah. Oh, first of all, I gotta put water in there. I'm kind of new to this. I never really made coffee like that. So yeah, I gotta put water in the coffee. Oh, I didn't know what that was. Let me get 2 teaspoons of this. Focus. There we go. 2 teaspoons of this. And then we're gonna have some iced coffee. So guys, here's the cup. Gotta put some ice in it. So yeah. And I'm gonna put some sugar in here. Whoa, I just made a mess, but it's all good. I just made a huge mess. And here is the coffee. Jeez, it's so hot. Hot coffee, hot coffee, hot coffee! So, I don't know how much to put in here, so I'm just gonna go for it. And I'm guessing that's good. Now I got some iced coffee, guys. That's how you make French vanilla iced coffee. It is so good. You can go make this at home instead of going and get ripped off with the nasty coffee.